When you set aside special time to go somewhere beautiful and just make art, something special happens. Connecting with nature in the Colorado mountains is an experience unlike anything else. You'll set aside 4 days for yourself just to indulge in beautiful painting practices with incredible new mixed media techniques and gorgeous, brilliant paint colors. Spend time in the nourishing outdoors in the beautiful fall leaves and learn how to take that back to our gorgeous art space and turn it into a painting that you're excited about. You'll get to work with professional quality materials and learn beautiful new mixed media painting techniques that will help you get in the flow, tap into your creativity, and become a more confident painter so you can go home and make your own paintings. At our Colorado Art Retreat, you'll bring home paintings that you love, make great new friends, eat incredible new food, and you can even soak in the natural hot springs. I'm Kellie Day, and I can't wait to host you in Colorado. I'm a mixed media painter and an art mentor. I've worked with companies like Trader Joe's, North Face, and I sell and show my art around the world. And I'll be welcoming you with my assistant Ruth, who's also a professional artist in Flagstaff, Arizona. We can't wait to see you soon.